Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong kacongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki baper. Kadon ka degree course, ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Namar ka jingjor syaba Palat ka Jingtlot na ka jingsha jingit ka bakhlemput Sngi. U President ka Jaintia Coal Owners, Miners Supplier and Workers Association uba Marshal BM la Pynkit no sya Woodland Hospital Kabupaten Hasaba Muswang West Jaintia Hills District haga janme jong ka khandriu tarik u jelew arjar phunriu. Ka jingsha thangan bakhlemput Sngi uba Marshal BM kala kenjo menta ka Sngi ka bakhanriu bandawa ya ka sorkar jala bakan wat ya ki lat kilinti ban penyo biang ya ki pajba ka rilum Jaintia ban ti bat ban shalan yau doyong. Syuakani kit khot ka sengkila letor sya office u Deputy Commissioner ka East Jaintia Hills bad nakaliang u Deputy Commissioner ula batha ye ki nong yalam ka seng ban jet ye ki nong mikman na ka benta ban let ye kandu ye u Chief Secretary ka sorkar jala ha ka khanyu tarik u jeliu arja punriu ha ka por architect no bhaisi ha secretariat Shillong ban ye karen halor ka jingdawa ban pli biang ya ka kamti doyong ha po ka jala.
Carlos,
Continue ya, Mam.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.